I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's Daily Review. Today is April 19, Wednesday, 2023. Before I hop into it here, I just want to make an announcement that if you're following and you're watching videos, the course is actually done. The back end is now finished. And I know some of you were waiting, but I don't really publicly let everybody know. So there's no one in the course, right? So it is done though. And I can share the link with you if you would like to join now. Just keep in mind that it's super beginning stages, but the work is all done and everything you need is there. So just thought I'd throw that out there here. And I happen to be going on vacation on Friday, coming back Wednesday. So I was afraid to kind of let it publicly known, and then I'm on vacation, right? So, but if you want to sign up, you're more than welcome to. Just keep in mind I'll be gone between Friday and Wednesday. So that being said, let's hop into it here. So today's candle, we had an inside day candle here. So which means is we're going to expect some big movement soon. I know we have news tomorrow and Friday. So that'll probably be the catalyst to drop it down. I don't really see it going up. It's creating this peak right here. Hopefully it doesn't drag out. Hopefully they don't manipulate it one more time up. If they do, they do. If they don't, then we're definitely coming to the downside. Way too much inefficiency and liquidity here. So let me just go into a 4-hour real quick. And you're not really going to see this well, but I'm just going to go to, as you see, it's stuck in this range from yesterday's range. And definitely not looking good for bulls, in my opinion, only because we came back down and we didn't shoot up and take out this high and come up. Let me go to a 1 hour. I'm going to make this video short. And well, you'll see here that we already came all the way down this far in Asia and London. So, and they came into this wick here, but now we're slowly kind of making its way down. It's looking very suspect and choppy. Today was a very ugly day. If you didn't know what you were doing, let me go into, let me just hop into a 5-minute. And you'll see here. So we have the fib. I made this fib as a sell retracement fib because it just looked a little too clean. And I think one day we're going to look at this and be like, oh, we're going to come up there one day, but not anytime soon now. If we do, then that's our next target, this level here and maybe some of this. But I'm just showing the retracement fib here. It doesn't look really pretty. It doesn't really reach the 70 level. So it's possible that we still kind of come up to reach one of these levels and then come down. So just keeping it there to give the idea, but the idea is for it to come down and break these lows. So we got a new pool here, which is this level, this level, this level, this level. See that? See how they got it all there? And this is why I didn't take the sell initially today, because I knew, well, we had that gap. We had a gap here at 2:05 in the morning. So technically 2:10. 2:10 in the morning, Eastern time, America, we had a gap here. So when I woke up and I saw this, price came up, shot at 9:30 at the news, came right to the weekly open. This is this purple line, darker purple line. This more reddish one or lighter color is today's open. So we were below that open the whole day. So we've never even touched this open line. I'm not saying it has to, but it's not normal that it doesn't. So here's what happened. Price came down, fell into this one of these previous week gaps here and into this block here as a demand area. made structure, came up, all right, took out that that gap and hit the weekly open, sank back down very fast. So that was suspect. So that came down, and basically this was your A, B, and C. This was just to get you in. These three were just to get you in so we could take you out. Where'd it go to? Came right into this block right here. See that? Came right into that block. You could have been an immediate buyer as well. I wanted to see some order flow, which I'm going to have to show you now in 1 minute. And so you'll see here, price retraced back. All right. And then shot up. Okay. Retraced back where? Right into my block. And I show you this every day. Every day. And it did take out that high as well, which was nice. But my close focus was this big ass imbalance right here. Like, you couldn't miss it. See that? And we have that liquidity sitting there with the open there. So this whole area was a good area. This was my secondary area of looking at. My first area was this right here. So you could have took profits once it reached into this imbalance. But anyways, took the buy as soon as it hit there, and order flow happened. Came back up, came back into this imbalance with this block. Nice buy. Came up, kept going. Got really tricky and just really sloppy, but holding the bullish buy for this purpose, right? So as you see, look at it. Comes in, wipes that out, and then look how the candle stops right at the open, the high of the open today, gap. You can't, that's not buyers and sellers, that's precision. So right when I'm seeing that, I'm done, right? To take this profit here, I'm pretty much 80% done. But when I see this, all right, and it smacks this level right here, I was out completely. Because that's a very good sign of reversal. Sure enough, price retraces back, creates this big imbalance right here. All right, on the 1 minute. Generally, I want to see the price come to about 50% of the candle. I mentioned that in a lot of my videos. Sure enough, here's 50% of the candle, or the imbalance itself, right? Push the sell button there. Beautiful. Comes down, and plays around. And I only took this sell because I wanted to take out not only this liquidity, but I want to take out this pool. And in my opinion, I'm still in this trade right now, but in my opinion, this is over with. I mean, it's like it's getting old, you know. So I have a strong opinion on, you know, this whole pool right here. So let me just change it. All right, right there. Let me change the, oh, excuse me. Let me change the visibility. All right, so, you know, right there, it just seems too obvious, especially including this. So let me just drag that. Oh. Just drag that to here. So, you know, this is how I'm thinking, and this is why I took this out. Now, could it go against me and buy up and take out that liquidity and that liquidity if we're still bullish? Absolutely it can, you know, but I've already took profit for this trade here, and I'm in the sell now, and so ugly. So, you know, the question is, we have internal liquidity here, but to me, once it came down here, this might be a shift in structure right here, right? So retrace, came back down, still playing in this range, and I'm expecting a very big down day tomorrow or the following day. Does it end up pushing it up one more time to get above here and then come down to get in that imbalance? So there's an imbalance right in between these candles right here on the 1 hour. It's possible. But as of now, I got to take my money as I get it, and I'm not marrying to anything, but I am kind of shooting my shot for the idea of going bearish and taking out all this liquidity here, which will probably come out of nowhere with the news tomorrow or Friday. All right, so going to a daily chart real quick, just to end the video. As you see here, we are sort of holding a support level area on here. So this could bust out to the top, but I mean, I just don't see it. I just don't. I mean, you've already came up in here and took this out. And for us to be this high at this time of the year and for what's going on and not coming to this imbalance here or not down here, I don't know. I just see it very suspect. But as of now, that's my logic. And we are consolidating at the moment in a way. So hopefully we see the break come down. All right. If not, you'll see. Watch Asia and London, because as you see here, Asia and London were doing damage. So that's I mean, if you want to catch trades, it's good to catch them at 6 o'clock when the new 4-hour candle starts. But you want to be out of the trades by 8:30, 9:30, depending on where you are. But you would have been able to caught this at 6 o'clock. 6 to 7 o'clock is good for the pre-market. If you're definitely wanting to be done by the open or by like London close at 11 something, right? But I have late nights and I don't like doing it. So sometimes it sucks, right? But then look, 9:30 will come all the way down and just come right back to 6 o'clock. So instead, I could have just waited till 9 something, when the price comes back. And that's what you have to deal with if, the trade-off, I should say, in trading. So, but I used to be the 7 o'clock to 7:30 window of getting into trades, but I'm sleeping late and I need more sleep, and I just wait for the open. And sure enough, you get this nice action in open, right after open coming down and catching it. I didn't miss a beat, just woke up and kind of rolled into it. So, all right, hope this helps. You guys take care and God bless.